Global markets are holding firm as Wall Street extends its rally, supported by strong economic data, upbeat bank earnings, and renewed optimism around artificial intelligence. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed Thursday up 0.60% at 49,442, while the S&P 500 added 0.26% to 6,944. The Nasdaq Composite also advanced 0.25% to end at 23,530. Futures for all three indices are trading higher, pointing to a positive start on Friday. In commodities, crude oil prices hovered near $60 a barrel, stabilizing amid easing geopolitical tensions, while gold traded around $4,617 an ounce, facing mild pressure after recent declines. In currency markets, the dollar remained firm, with $1 fetching about 0.86 euros. On the macro front, US weekly jobless claims unexpectedly fell to 198,000, underlining the resilience of the labor market and reinforcing expectations that the Federal Reserve could take a measured approach toward interest rate cuts in 2026. The technology sector regained momentum after strong earnings from chipmaker TSMC, reviving the AI trade. Major investment banks see robust growth and deal activity ahead, though concerns over elevated valuations persist. Meanwhile, large US banks including Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley reported better than expected fourth quarter profits, driven by strong trading performance and a rebound in investment banking. In corporate news, Japan's Mitsubishi is set to acquire US shale gas assets for $7.5 billion, while Amazon is reportedly considering drastic steps following the bankruptcy filing of Saks Global, in which it holds a stake. Global markets are holding firm as Wall Street extends its rally, supported by strong economic data, upbeat bank earnings, and renewed optimism around artificial intelligence. With solid data, strong earnings, and renewed tech optimism, global markets are entering the new trading session on a confident footing. Investors now turn their attention to upcoming economic cues and corporate updates to gauge the sustainability of the rally.